Here's a pair of the SHOKZ OpenDots ONE earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Windows computer, PC, or laptop via Bluetooth. So the first thing is, let's put these in a pairing mode. So both the buds are in the case. I'm going to open up this lid. I'll know it's in pairing mode if it's blinking green, orange, okay? However, I get a solid green light and then it goes off, no problem. For myself, let me manually put this in a pairing mode. If I look on the back here, you have that little round button there. I'm going to press and hold that button and wait till it starts blinking here. Green, orange, okay? So button here, press and hold. Now keep holding, just wait. Wait, green, orange. Now it's in pairing mode. Now let's shoot over to our computer. And you can just do a search down here in the search bar for Bluetooth, okay? So type in Bluetooth and other device settings right there. Let's go ahead and select that. From here, we're going to select the first one, Bluetooth other devices. Now make sure Bluetooth is toggled on there, and then we're going to tap that plus sign, add Bluetooth other device. Let's go ahead and select that. And now from here, we're going to select the first one, where it says Bluetooth right there. Now this line that's going across there, now it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me, which is about 30 feet Bluetooth range. Okay, so let's see if it shows up here. Okay, there we go. Open dots, it showed up right there. I have a bunch of all these other ones. I live in apartments, so all these neighbors stuff pops up as well. But one dots says connecting. And ready to go. It's connected, and I can see the solid light, green light on there as well. And you can see this says connected, ready to go. Pretty simple. So we're connected, ready to go. Now, if you had issues connecting or can't put it in the pairing mode, then you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look for that link below in the description area.